How to change background music volume in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, navigate to the Studio tab located at the bottom of the screen and select the video from your media library that you want to edit. Tap on the chosen video and then select the edit option to open it in the app's video editor. After that, tap on the volume option to access the music settings for your video. Here you will see the volume controls for both the background music and the original video audio. You will notice three different volume options available: mute, mix, and boost. Choose the one that best fits your audio needs and preferences. After adjusting the music volume to the desired level, preview your video to ensure the audio balance sounds perfect. Once you are satisfied with the changes, tap Save to apply the new background music volume to your video. Now you know how to change the background music volume in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.